Cheese.
1, 2, smile, Ina. 1, 2.
Monkey. You wanna take picture, Yuna? Go in, baby.
Anybody wants warm? 2 warm. Yes.
Round 1. Yuna, round 1. Where's that?
Bigger one.
Bigger one.
Very big.
Thank you. Chicken? How about bread? Enough, okay. Check that side. Peanut? Oh my gosh, baby. Yung mga kinukuha mo, makakain sa Pilipinas anytime. You wanna eat rice? Yeah, fried rice. Cheese one. This one, cheese. And then, let's go. Okay, enough na yan. Yeah, round 2. Sarap. Tapos ka na, baby, sa round 2 mo. Okay. Ready? Ready?
It's over. I don't see any more for the charging.
Round 3. Round 3 na yun.
Super sweet.
Turog na siya. Turog na pa din. Huwag mo na ititigil. Nice. Round 4 na to.
May chili crab.
Yeah.
Why not take the bun?
So, round 5? Round 5. Yun na!
Bring it over right now. Bring it for you. Don't worry about it.
Wait lang. Ano ba ito? May ito chili siguro.
Mami, also that one.
Meaty, masarap.
Ginadurog-durog niya. Uy, sakto.
Ano, lahat yan?
Lahat yan.
Sulitin mo, mahal bayad dyan.
Happy you. You can have also if you
Enough na. Thank you. And see, we going to see?
Photo. You want?
Not Chloe.
Ready, 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, blow the candle.
Vlogging ka. And one infant, and one will be physical.
Yeah, here, parang hindi mahirap.
Okay, good. Ito, yun na, ito.
Wow!
Uy, nagawa ka passport. Nagawa ka passport.
What's that, Mika? What's that, Mika?
Whose present is that? Wow.
Wow! Open, open.
In case if it
Oh, okay, okay. Oh, magpasalamat ka sa kanila. Sigan. Oh. Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you, Margie. Let's take a picture.
Takal mo, wala akong picture.